Voxelnauts is a sandbox MMO and a virtual reality universe.
The level of freedom that we're giving people is going to be just totally incredible. It's going to be something that nobody's ever really experienced before in a game.
Voxelnauts is kind of like Minecraft, but so much more vast.
We're an MMO that allows users to actually modify content. You're not locked into the worlds we create, or the art assets we create, or the sounds, or the storyline. You can build your own world, you can build your own creatures, your own items. We want you to mod it. We want you to be part of the universe.
We're hoping to have like hang gliders so you can like jump off this and you can like soar through this.
When we describe what we're building, sometimes we do refer to it as a virtual reality sandbox metaverse, even though that's a mouthful.
For our game, a metaverse is a consistent universe of planets.
And within our metaverse, you'll be able to jump between different worlds that are built by different publishers and different developers and individuals, and have a completely different gaming experience every single time you play if you want.
You're going to be able to go to one planet, pick up a bunch of items, and take them to a different planet, and you're going to be able to use them there. This is totally a different way of thinking about making content for a game. And so we needed to rethink how rendering was done.
A voxel is basically a cube. It's a very discrete cube.
We use voxels as a data set, but we also use voxels as depth for our blocks in a world. And we use them to draw our creatures and players in the game world.
Voxels you can ray trace against much more quickly than you can raster triangles of the same fidelity.
We've developed a whole host of tools for modders and developers to create content. You can actually add depth to the art.
Or you could just use your own 3D modeling programs such as Blender, and there's going to be a different tool that'll voxelize it for you so you can just put it in the game, like that.
Here's the library where you can load in your assets to build these modular blocks. And you can configure how they interact with each other right here. This tool is actually extremely simple, but at the same time, you can do a whole lot with it. It's very powerful.
So with Voxelnauts, what we have is this giant open-ended world where anybody can create whatever they want, where they have complete ownership over the assets and items that they create. And on top of it, are immersed in a virtual reality experience on the latest hardware, using the latest technology, with an amazing graphics engine. The experience is just going to be unparalleled by anything else that's out there right now. And we need your help to make it happen.
If you can dream it, you can build it, you can trade it, you can take it anywhere with you, from world to world. You have control.
In order to see this vision as a reality, we need everyone's support, because it's going to be an awesome game. We're taking creativity to a whole new level.